Good morning, my name is Samara Margarita Lozano Sequeira. My weekly routine. I wake up at 6 in the morning every morning. In hit the alarm button 5 times every morning. Before turning off and the head food, I have a cup of coffee and make myself break. I often read the newspaper while having breakfast. My brother likes to shower after breakfast. Would like to shower before he eats. It is important brush your teeth after breakfast. I comb my hair and put on makeup is very important to me. I head ready to head to go to work. I go to work at 7 in the morning and leave at 12 in the afternoon. After not finished work, I go home to make lunch. At my house, we often have lunch to her around 1:30 in the afternoon. After lunch, I make sure that my brother have already done their homework at school and then I stretch out on the couch to watch television. When I watch television, I generally watch my novels. In the afternoon, usually go out to walk the dog or go out with my friends for dinner and I bring dinner my brother. They at 7:30 at night feel the good before going to bed in the addition to going to the bathroom as well. Sometimes before going to bed I do my university activities to stay up to date at 9 o'clock at night. I put on my pajamas and set the alarm to wake up in the morning. The last thing I do is lock the door, turn off all the lights in the house and go to bed. Thank you.